In the magical land of Meadowville lived a curious baby bunny named Benny. Benny had soft, fluffy fur as white as snow, and his ears were always perked up, eager to catch new sounds. Benny was known in Meadowville for his insatiable curiosity and joyful spirit. One sunny morning, as the golden rays of the sun filtered through the trees, Benny set off on an adventure from his cozy burrow. His little nose twitched with excitement as he hopped along a path dotted with cheerful daisies and fluttering butterflies. Benny loved to explore, and today he decided to visit the Whispering Woods, a place rumored to be full of surprises and wonders. His heart pounded with excitement as he hopped deeper into the woods. On his journey, he met a wise old turtle named Tilly, who was slowly making her way across the path. "Good morning, Benny," greeted Tilly with a warm smile. "What brings you so far from home today?" "Hello, Tilly," replied Benny with a cheerful wiggle of his tail. "I'm off to find the hidden waterfall. Have you heard of it?" Tilly nodded slowly. "Ah, the hidden waterfall. It's a sight to see indeed. Follow the path where the sun makes the leaves dance, and listen for the song of the stream. It will lead you there," she kindly advised. Thanking Tilly, Benny hopped along, his excitement bubbling like a brook. As he followed Tilly's directions, he noticed the forest floor was lush with life, tiny critters scurrying about, and birds chirping sweet melodies. Soon, Benny heard the gentle sounds of water and quickened his pace. There was the magnificent hidden waterfall cascaded down rocks into a sparkling pool. It was the most beautiful thing Benny had ever seen. Suddenly, Benny noticed something sparkling in the water. With a closer look, he saw it was a shiny pebble. It was said that the pebble would grant courage to whoever found it. Benny picked it up gently and placed it in his pouch. On his way back, carrying the pebble as a treasure, Benny felt braver than ever before. He returned home, and with each hop, a new adventure awaited. Benny had learned that the world was full of wonders, and that courage comes from within. From that day on, everyone in Meadowville knew Benny not just as a curious bunny, but as Benny the Brave.